I'm using universal sliders brackets in order to reverse side mounted slides to the bottom mounted slides, so I can mount them on the bottom of the shelf with a couple of screws and attach my drawer to it. In the body of the slides there are a few holes that these brackets will fit, so this thin part goes on the drawer itself. These slides can be removed with this little lever. When you push it on up, you can slide this part out. You can mount this part, small part, on the drawer, and the big part should be mounted on the base cabinet or on the walls. Instead of that, I'm using these brackets to mount them on the bottom of the shelf. This brackets is universal and fits almost in any slides. This is soft slides and it has a few holes in it. I am choosing this big hole. I'm taking the bracket. This sticking part comes out, and I'm putting this bracket in one hole on the back, and it fits only one hole in this slide. And one hole is okay because the front bracket, see, it fits perfectly. Now the front bracket fits into two holes. You can see one screw and another screw. It fits perfectly. So this is ready. Front sitting on two screws, back sitting on one screw, and this is sufficient. Now after that, I'm just mounting this drawer with already attached small part into the big part that inside the cabinet, and I'm just sliding it inside the cabinet into the housing, into the other part of the slides. That's pretty easy and will fit in any, I'm telling you, any of the slides. It's just universal brackets.